Hello techies, welcome back to Elfin Code. If you have yet not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe and also like the video and hit the notification button. So in this video, we are going to see how we can extract the year from the list of string item. So there are basically two steps which we need to perform. The first is we need to create the regex pattern for the year, and we will be keeping a validation of the year should be between 1000 to 3000. Okay, and then once we have the regex pattern created, we will iterate over the list of item, and then for each item we will be comparing that each item value with the regex pattern, and then if the match is found, we will print the match. Okay, so this is going to be two-step process to find out any year in the list of string items. So let us go to the practical area and explore this with the help of one example. So here I have already kept this list which is consisting of year. Okay, so the first statement is having year and the last statement is also having the year. Okay, so we will try to extract these two year. Let me do one thing. Let me change this year to, let's say, 2028. Okay, so we'll be having two different value. Now what I need to do, I need to first create the regex pattern for this year. Okay, so we can do one thing. We can go to the regex pattern. Okay, so here is my regex pattern, and I'll do one thing. I'll just copy this statement from here. I'll just put it here, and then I'll create a regex pattern for this year. Okay, so my year should be starting with one. I need to find. The constraint is the year should be between 1000 to 3000. Okay, so this is my year constraint. So the first character is 1, 2 or 3. Okay, so I'll say that 1, 2, 3. Okay, so only one character need to be checked with 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is my first pattern, and then I have to match the next three characters. So next three character could be between 1 to 9. Okay, actually 0 to 9. Okay, and how many character need to be checked? Three character need to be checked, so I'll say 3. Okay, so this is going to be my regex pattern. So if you want to extract this information, we can do it like this. Okay, so this is going to be my year regex pattern. So I'll go to my practical area, and I'll say that year pattern equal this one. Okay, so once this is done, I'll do one thing. I'll iterate over the list, for which I will open a for loop for I in my list. Okay, so I can do it like this. Okay, and then I'll say that match equal I'll say re dot find all, and then I need to put the pattern. So year pattern, and then text would be I. Okay, so this is the first item from the list. So this is getting extracted in the first iteration. Similarly, this particular thing will be extracted in the second, and then this will be extracted in the last iteration. Okay, so what I did, I put the extracted string, extracted item, and then I'm trying to match this pattern in the extracted string. Okay, and then I'll say print match. Okay, so now if I try to run this, so here you can see that we already got the matching character. So 2024, 2028. In the second iteration, we don't have anything anything as a year. So this is quite simple, and you can also combine these extracted numbers as well by taking one additional list and append the list wherever you get this output. Okay, so this is how you can do it. So this is one of the problem which I've taken from the SO site, and people have asked this question, so I just picked up to solve this promptly. Okay, so in case if you have any further doubt, you may just put in the comment, and also appear for the quiz which will be coming just now.
Elfin quiz of the day. What does the search function return if the pattern is not found in the given string? Option A none, option B false, option C 0, option D exception. Please mention your answer in the comment section below.
If you have yet not subscribed, please do subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching.